Accused murderers of four make appearance in court. The St. Mary brothers, accused of killing four people in separate incidents, including a Chinese couple, are to settle their legal representation. Nigel Walters, alias Troy, and Nicholas Walters were yesterday remanded until June 2 when they made their first appearance in the Home Circuit Court via a voluntary bill of indictment, which allows for their case to bypass a parish court hearing. Nigel, however, was the only defendant who appeared physically as his brother attended via Zoom. In the first case, Chinese business operators, 53-year-old Xian Shu and 48-year-old Haikong Wan, were shot and killed during a robbery at their supermarket in Bellevue, St. Elizabeth. 3 gunmen were reportedly caught on closed-circuit television, CCTV, posing as customers in the supermarket before the deadly attack.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Yo, I'm going right into this. The Jamaican police is doing a good job with these guys. These guys did one of the most despicable acts. But one thing I want to talk about real quick before I make the rest of the video play, and remember, watch this video to the end of the video and you hear the end of the story and what's going on with these guys. But Jamaica has some of the most despicable acts, and doing this vlog has really given me anxiety, if not nightmares, because I be getting nightmares. I be having some weird dreams and definitely have anxiety over the insatiable violence and barbaric acts that's going on in Jamaica and all over the world. Listen, watch this video to the end of the video. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Watch this video, click on another video. Let's go.
The second incident involved 45-year-old businesswoman Sophia Brown and her customer, 58-year-old farmer Bernie Lewis, both of Long Hill District, White House, Westmoreland. Brown was reportedly at her wholesale on January 12 when the brothers entered posing as customers. Both women were reportedly assisting the men when they were shot and killed. Yesterday, when the case was mentioned, the prosecutor informed Justice Simone Wolfe-Rees that the case files for both matters are incomplete. In the St. Elizabeth case, among the documents outstanding are the ballistic certificate, forensic certificate and a compact disc with footage. The post-mortem report has already been received. For the second matter, the Crown is awaiting the post-mortem. The court was also informed that Nigel is yet to settle his legal representation even though he has retained a lawyer. A mentioned date was subsequently scheduled for the files to be completed and for Nigel to retain a lawyer. Both defendants were remanded. Attorney at law Carrie Ann Wilson is representing Nicholas.